Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the weekly time frames to get a very clear long-term picture. Then we're going to go to the daily to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the daily, what the Bitcoin doing here in the daily. Then after that, we're going to go to the 4 hours for swing trading. So if you are a swing trader, you're going to get a clear picture about swing trading. Then we're going to go to 30 minutes here. We analyze for you the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. So if you are a scalper and a day trader, you're going to get a clear picture. By the way, guys, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash the like button, to write down a comment. I want that like button to get disaster today. Smashing the like button, guys. We want that video to reach at least to 40 like. I know you can do it and you do it before, so please go ahead and smashing the like button, writing down a comment, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's start our lesson of today, guys. So as you see here, guys, in the weekly, that the weekly candle here, it's finished. That one here, and it gave us here like a pin bar, as you see it here, that one here. So after the last week, it gave us here that weekly candle, a pin bar indicating the market is going to reverse. And that week, it gave us here another green candle indicating the market is going to reverse. So we don't know what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to go higher a little bit. But also here, we're still in a downtrend, guys. I tell you that thousands of times, and I show you even here we got like a triangle like that. The lower of it is down here. I show you all those things before, but here, guys, look with me very close here. What we got here like a triangle like that, as you see it, guys. You can make it like that, and that triangle, it's being broken here by that candle, guys, as you see it, that one. So what the view for that one you calculating the target here, you put a line like that and you put it in the place where it's getting broke. So that one is going to go, guys, till that 10k if it's continued like that. But the first scenario, guys, because the first scenario, as I told you, is going to go to that 10k. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, it's Bitcoin is going to go back here and to break here inside and to go back inside here. If it's back inside here, and I show you all those things before in the wake off, if it's back there, that 100%, guys, that one is the bottom. Till now, also we still very early from all that. I'll show you all those things, and now it gives us here like a wage, as you see it. If you make it like that, you got here a wage. So till now, it doesn't breaking up and it doesn't breaking down. So till now, also here we still waiting here in the weekly, and here in the weekly we are down in the 200 moving average. That is indicating we are in a very bad moment, guys. So till now it's need to come back all that way and to break here the 200 moving average for us to know. Also, we're changing from the downtrend to a new uptrend. Till now, also we're still very early, guys. Remember that it's still very early for you to enter long. And I'll show you a lot of analysis, guys, here. If you remember, people they've been with us for some time. I told you we got here a wage like that. That one here, it's need to be broken here at least for us to enter long. Till now, there is no breaking there. Plus, I show you even the chart here. That one here, I showed it to you before. It's okay to repeat it, guys. That one here, guys. That one, it's based on time frame, because every time the Bitcoin, it passed 152 bars of weekly in a bull run, and it spent only 52 bars in a bear run. So now us we enter here to the bull or the time of the bull run, but we don't know, guys. That one, it just analyzes for the time frame. The most important, we need a price action indicating for us as the market here is going to change. Till now, there is nothing new, guys. Also, we still here in a very sharp downtrend, as you see it, how clear it is here. So at least it's need to break here up for us to enter long. If it's breaking, the take profit of that one is going to be here in the top. Till now, also we're still very early, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the daily to see what is it there, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the daily. In the daily, it gave us here that pin bar indicating the market will go up, but all that because also now we are in the Christmas, guys, and that indicating the market is going to stay sideways here because, as you know, in the Christmas there is no big volume. And in the Friday video, watch me, I told you I told you got two levels, one here and one here. One is it at 17,500 and other is it at 16,500 guys. So the Bitcoin where there is majority of strikes or options, puts and calls. The calls they are here and puts they are here in that level. That where is those people they wait in the Bitcoin. So the view of them, the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here all the next week guys, or all that week. So that the view for big whales, and that's what it's showing here. There is no big volume guys to move the Bitcoin either up or either down. I think picture is too clear. And for us here in the daily, what I told you we got that inside bar here. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry long, no entry short. If it doesn't get broke here, no long. If it doesn't broke here, no short guys. Everything is too clear guys. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are guys in the 4 hours. People they've been with us for some time. Also we enter short from here. When it's getting broke here, we enter short. Over here in that zone, I told you to sell was it equal your investment, or to close was it equal your investment. So if you enter from here, from that zone here, you enter by $100 here. You need to close was it equal $100. It came down here. I told you close 50% of what it left over as a profit. Then you're going to live with 50% of that profit guys. By the way, to know exactly that money management strategy, is it down in our course? The course is it in the first comment, and believe me, that course is better than million of courses online they sell it to you by $1,000 and $2,000. That course is going to teach you everything about how to invest in crypto, and the course is not expensive. It's only $13, the price of a cup of coffee, but it's up to you, and that's not our topic guys. And here what did I told you guys in the last videos? I told you we got here a head and shoulder like that. As you see it, I'm not drawing top of it. And I told you the neckline is it here. If it doesn't get in broke here, there is no entry yet. Until now, there is no breaking here in the top. So when it's going to be broken here, we need to close that profit we left off and we open a buy order. Till now, there is nothing new guys, as we still under that neckline. And that is a part of trading, as I show you before guys. I show you here, you got a head and shoulder here. And I told you the neckline is it here, but it doesn't break it down. Same thing now, we got here a head and shoulder, and the neckline is it here at that place. So if it doesn't get broke up, there is no entry guys. And those people they being telling you we got here a diamond. Look at that diamond is being broken here. It's being broken up and down as you see it. So that diamond guys, it's being broken here. So what should you do now? Should you enter short? Should you enter long? Yeah, now there is no entry long, no entry short. That way I told you that diamond is going to be broken by just the noise. And that's what happened here. It's being broken here by the noise. So the most important price action we got here is that head and shoulder guys. That one. It's need the market to come and to break here, that level here. And that price action is it exactly in that here. That level here is it here. Is it a very stronger supply and demand zone guys? So you need to make a close eye at it. That way I told you it's need a candle to start down here and to close above that level. To start down here and to close above that level. That's the right time for you to enter. Till now there is no entry, no either long, no either short. You stay in here in a very, very, very sideways market guys. I show you all those things before. And for long term, you got here like a up channel. I show you even that one before. It's okay to repeat it guys. As you see it, you got here a very, very up channel like that. As you see it, you touch in here the lower of it, and now you touch in here. Now either from here we're going to go higher here, or we are going to break it down here. And if we break it down, that's a very, very huge signal the market is going to reverse. So you need to make a close eye at those things guys. Till now there is no long, no short. I think picture is too clear guys. Now let's go into see our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator guys, as you see it, we be in here at that middle all along, and I told you till now both of them bulls and bears they are equal, so it doesn't break down here or it doesn't break upward here. So as we stay in a sideways market guys, there is no buying, no selling yet. That's what me have been telling you. No buying, no selling. Also, we stay in here in a very, very, very sideways market, and there is no big volume in the market. And that's what me have been telling you. I'm telling you the days of Christmas, the market is going to be very, very, very flat because majority of big whales they are not in the market, and who move the market that much is the big whales, not small retail traders. Small retail traders don't got that capital to move the market very, very much. So everything it's look normal guys. So now let's go into see our other indicator guys, what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. That one here, also we enter short because we used to be here at the overbought area. We used to have there a price action. Price action we used to have there is that up channel, the one here, as you see it. When it's getting broke here, we enter short. We protect ourselves. We taking profit. Now it give us here, our indicator is enter here at the oversold area. Price action is give us here a head and shoulder as I showed it to you before. But till now nothing was completed, guys. It's need to come to break for us that neckline up for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry. It might from here is going to continue down at that indicator of us to enter more to the oversold area. Because that one is just an oscillator, guys. You don't need to base your trading on it because it follow the price, not the price will follow it. So that one is another story. That's why I told you the price action is the most important part of trading, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to charge a minute to see if there is any scalping opportunity there for tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, as we enter a long position from here. When it's breaking here, we enter long. We put in our stop loss down here. And we're still waiting, guys, if the market is going to go higher or no. Till now, also we're still waiting what the market is going to do. That's how we trade, guys. Also, we don't enter from here or anywhere. Also, we enter from here. And we're still waiting what the market is going to do till now. So, also we're still sideways here, as I showed it to you before. Look at it. All the days we've been sideways here. And even the 200 moving average is telling you that. Look at it. How flat it is. There is no moving up, no trending up, no trending down. Not like how it's being here. Look at it here. It's being trending, but now also we are in a very flat market, guys. And even if you're using the Bollinger Band, you're going to find it now, it's very flat, guys, like that. You're going to find it very flat, and that one is indicating there is a huge move is going to come. I'm talking here just about scalping, not for long term. So you need to make a close eye at it. When that huge move came, you need to be in the market, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. Oh, now let's hope it will go up because our stop it was here and it's still there. Till now we haven't moved it up or down. We're still waiting what's going to happen, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.